Hey everybody. So this is going to be what I'm calling an underbust corset. So here's the main panels. I have two of these going on. I'm using a nice kind of mottled brown, but it's kind of medium to soft temper. Just because if this is going to be going around the waist, you don't want it too stiff. You don't want to floppy either, but it has some nice hand to it. So that's the leather I'm using. It's probably about 4 ounce thickness. What I wanted to show you is that parts of these are labeled. They have little guides. So like here's B and here's I and J, F right here. So I have these things labeled. So I have the letters on them with the pieces that, where they go. So, I got the I and J over here. These are the longer straps for buckling to the other side. And then I have the buckles here. Here's H, and that goes with H and stuff like that, and so forth and so on. There are some of these, like B, no, not B. Let's see. F. F here, that's going to be for a D-ring that hangs off the bottom of the corset. So that's how these things are set up. You do have to cut and tape them together onto a, this is a fairly large piece. This is probably, I don't know, 2 square feet. I mean, estimating maybe, just to get an idea of sizing on this. Hold on a second, let me measure this and tell you exactly. Hold on. Okay, so this one right here that I'm making is going to be, it's 16.5 inches, from end to end. But this piece right here, where the straps go, this is going to fold under the other side when it has the buckles. So it's going to end up being, 30 inches to 32 inches. So it gives quite a bit of room, probably 4 or 5 inches here of overlap, for larger sizes. So if you needed to go from end to end, with the lacing tight, then that would be 32 inches, right? I think about 32 inches, 16 and a half. No, 33 inches. Yeah, 33 inches wide. So I'm going to get these cut out, punched and cut out. Have all these punched and cut out. It's fairly straightforward. There's going to be some buckles, some D-rings, some rivets, little bit of stitching right here and here, but for the most part, it's going to be rivets and buckles and stuff like that. Pretty simple. It should be easy to do for beginners. And let's get to it. Okay, so I got everything cut and punched out, I think. I got the main bodies here. This one will be, this will be for the straps. This one has the buckles. Anyway, so I got these pieces punched out, cut out. I still need to put the grommets. These are 1/4 inch grommets. I need to put those on here in a little bit. But I also have all the pieces for the buckles, for the shoulder straps, keepers, the buckles for the main body, right shoulder here. I have the straps that are going to go the main body. You can go right here. And I also got the shoulder straps. These ones I'm going to I'll punch out the bottoms, where they connect to the D-rings and get riveted. But I'm going to hold off on. I need to measure this first on either my wife or my daughter to get the measurements right. But yeah, what's nice about this with the shoulder straps, you can either go directly just over the same shoulder, or you can cross. So like from from the left side. This would be the right side. Right side, cross over to the left shoulder to here if these straps are ever too long, right? So you could either cross them on the back side or just go over a single shoulder. It's up to you. But I wanted to show you how all these pieces got cut out. Super easy, very straightforward. The pattern's easy to follow. But I'm going to go do that first. I'm going to get the grommets put on. And then I'm going to start just placing all the stuff with the D-rings here, buckles, D-rings, and you'll see that when I show you here in a second. All right, be right back. Okay, so here it is finished. I got the buckles finally back, and these are a bar buckle, so it kind of sticks out a little bit away from the leather. Gives a little bit more room for the strap. That's the kind I did. I also got the lacing here, got that strap, got that tied up, and I got the straps here. For those of you who are just starting out, I highly recommend not punching the holes first until you get it on someone and can measure where those holes are going to be. Same thing with the shoulder straps. Let me show you how much I wasted. Hold on. So here's how much I wasted. When I did the first measurements thinking it was going to be around here or it was going to be done. But then on the model, you'll see my daughter ended up being smaller, and then even a little bit smaller than that. So make sure you measure twice, cut once, twice, 3 times if you need to. So yeah, this is the last one, or the final piece. There is still room you'll see on the measure, you'll see when she's wearing it. There's room here, and then room here, under here, for more holes if you need it. So if you need to make it for a little bit wider person, or if you need to just let it out a little bit, there's plenty of room for that. Okay, so good luck with yours. Use a good leather, a nice sturdy but not stiff leather will help out a lot. And if you have any questions, let me know. Contact me on Etsy or Instagram or YouTube, and send me your pics of how yours turned out. That'd be great. Love to see them. All right. Good luck, everybody. Bye.